Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I will show you how to make the best and most authentic kheer, creamy, rich and full of traditional flavor. Let's start the recipe. Start by boiling some water. Add half cup washed basmati rice and cook until it softens. Once done, cool it down completely. Now take 5 to 6 rusk biscuits. Break them into pieces. Now take a blender. Add the rusk biscuit, 1 cup milk and the cooked rice. Blend until smooth. Keep aside. In another pan, take 1 cup sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Cook until caramelize the sugar. Caramel adds depth and beautiful color to your kheer. Now add half cup water and mix well. Then pour in 1 liter of milk. Mix thoroughly. Milk adds protein and calcium for strong bones. Always use full fat milk for the creamiest texture. Stir continuously to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom. Let it come to a boil. Now add the blended rice and rusk mixture. Stir continuously. And cook for 7 to 8 minutes until thick and creamy. Add your favorite dry fruits. Half teaspoon cardamom powder for aroma. Cook for 2 minutes more, then turn off the heat. Add cardamom and nuts only at the end to retain their aroma and crunch. Now serve the authentic kheer. Kheer is one of the oldest desserts in Indian cuisine. In ancient times, kheer was offered as prasadam in temple. Many regions have their own version, from payas in Bengali to payasam in South India. Kheer provides energy through its healthy mix of rice and milk. Cardamom supports digestion and adds natural sweetness. Dry fruits boost iron and good fats, making this dessert wholesome. Spread some dry fruits on top, and your rich, authentic kheer is ready to serve, just like homemade tradition in every spoon. The perfect dessert for any celebration. Try it at home and let us know how your version turned out. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies for more heartwarming dessert.